Hello students, let's start third session of C++. In this third session, we will learn second definition of a class. Suppose we want to store data of videos watchers in our computer. Then we will have to decide what data belonging to videos watchers we will store. Then first we will have to decide what data of them we will store. We decide we will take name, contact number, city, state, and country. We have decided to take this data for a video watcher. And in object-oriented language or C++, this data is called as data members or attributes or properties or fields or instance variables or data or characteristics. So now we have taken data that we will store into our computer. Now, what we will do? What will we do with this data? We will have to do some functions for getting this data. We will have to do some functions for getting this data. What we have learned, if we want to store these things in computers for videos watchers, then we will have to do some functions for this task. Functions like getting data from watchers. We will have to take data from watchers for storing. First, we will get data. Second, we will store data. And third, we can see and we may see sometimes the details of entered data. So we have to do some functions. We have to do these functions. Functions in C++, we also say member functions. We say member functions, not functions. So what are member functions that we will do? Getting watcher details, storing into computers, seeing details. Now, till now, we have created a pattern that we will use for storing data related to videos, watchers into computer. So we will use this pattern for every video watcher. So this pattern is also called a blueprint or a template. So I hope you have understood very well about this. So now we will create a definition from this. So I have said this is a template or a blueprint that can be used and that will be used by every object of video watcher. So we have created a definition. What class is a template or blueprint that is used for particular type of objects. So class is a template or blueprint that will be used by same type of objects. So now we have cleared the definition of template. Now we end this session. So we will see in next session the next topic. So till then, have a nice time. Thank you.